welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And welcome to Diwalog 2020. A day before any festival or maybe 2 days before a festival, I usually do certain things that are sort of like my glow up routine. It's very simple, it's very basic. It just involves like a face mask, some scrubbing, just like getting all cleaned up so that on the day of the festival I can look happy, fresh and everything. More than anything, it's really about the mind. Like if I take out some time and sort of pamper myself, so it just, I feel more happier, I feel more relaxed. And usually with any festival there's so much going around, right? तो वो थोड़ा time निकाल के ये सब करने में बहुत अच्छा feel होता है, at least personally to me. So I thought I'll share with you my pre-festival glow up routine. Please excuse me if I don't look nice enough, but just to give you a gist of what the routine is, I remove my hair, do a hair mask, do a face mask, and then just that's it. And I usually try that उस दिन कोई makeup नहीं लगाएं, so that like my skin can really be like nice, moisturized, natural, fresh, all of that. So to start off with, first and foremost, I'm gonna start off with the hair removal. You might have seen like my wheat wala video. I'll link it down in the description box below. So my body hair is already done. I'm gonna just like groom my eyebrows and upper lip area. So for that, I'm going to be using this Evior ka face razor, and with that I'll be using this aloe vera gel. If you want to know how I do it and everything, I have made a video in detail about how I shave my face. The link will be down in the description box below. You can check that out from there. Okay, so the hair removal is done. I'm just gonna go wash my face and then come back and continue this. I'm back after washing my face, feeling very fresh. I use the this is literally my go-to face wash. This is the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. The next step is putting on a mask on the face and on my hair. For the face mask, I'm going to be using this Nykaa Clayed Cool anti-acne clay mask. I love clay masks. I'm not a fan of sheet masks. I don't like them. It's like a little annoying, but especially I love clay masks. My skin feels so nice and everything after a clay mask. I absolutely love it. For the hair, I'm using the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask. Very nice. This is so good. I thought that maybe it would be a little, like, it's so hyped on the internet. I thought maybe it won't be that nice, but man, this is like great. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to be using this, and meanwhile I have a tub of warm water niche, and I'm going to soak my legs into that because it feels so good. And this is like my mini version of a pedicure, because I obviously can't get a pedicure done, I say. So this is like my mini version of that. So the clay mask takes about 15-20 minutes to dry completely, and the hair mask needs to be in your hair for 15 minutes. So I'm going to go with the clay mask first, and then I'm going to wear the hair mask. This is so nice and cooling on the skin. I love it. Moving on to the hair mask. I had absolutely forgotten we had to wet our hair, so I am back. Wow, my t-shirt is ruined and I probably look like Jadoo ki Behan. I'm gonna go dance around a little, wait for 15 minutes and go take a bath, and then I'll be back. So that was actually it for the routine. Iske baad I do my skincare. It's not like very extensive or very special. I know the glow up routine might seem very simple and everything, but that is how I like it right now. And the reason I'm not applying all these products right now in front of you is because I want to do that in the sun, because I love like sitting in the sun, getting my fair share of vitamin D as well as getting some skincare done. So I'm gonna go outside. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. I would love it if you could share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy.